Hey Jen, I hope that you are well and safe. I thought it would just be fun and different to send you this quick video tutorial on how to access the Chronicle of Higher Education. So, first thing you need to do is log into Atlas. And once you're logged into Atlas, click on Search the Library. I call this a ribbon. So from this ribbon, you want to select journals A to Z. And we're going to select, or we're going to search by this specific journal title. So we just type in Chronicle Higher Ed and it starts to populate, and I just select that one. Now what it does is it shows us which databases, so these blue links are the databases that are indexing the Chronicle of Higher Education. And these are the ones that Valencia has access to. So if you are searching the Chronicle of Higher Education as a student at UCF, then when you go into their databases, you could search by this specific journal. So let's just say, I'm going to go with the first one here. Actually, you know what? Either one of these could work for you, and I think both of these are EBSCO databases. These go back as far as 1999, and this database indexes it back to 99 also, but it goes to present day. So there's like a delay of 1 month, and I think they kind of refer to that as like an embargo period, where that delay is for the article actually being available to you. Same thing with Gale Academic One file, and I'm just going to do Gale Academic One file. The only difference between the databases is the interface and like how it looks to you. So I actually prefer the Gale database interfaces versus the EBSCO. So when I look at this, and some of them may or may not be available in PDF if that matters to you. So when I look at this, again, it's telling me there's a 30-day delay due to the publisher embargo period, which I've mentioned previously. So for this one, it's showing April 3rd. That could or could not be available, but just so I don't take a chance, I'm going to go with the March 20th and look at that particular issue. So I think the Chronicle of Higher Education is published 4 times a month or weekly. Let's take a look at March 20th. And things may be different because of the COVID-19 pandemic and staffing shortages and whatnot. So when we look at that particular issue, there looks like there are 70 articles within that particular issue. You can narrow it down to full text only if you're looking for peer-reviewed articles. But I would just say, like me, I'm just going to leave it like it is for right now. And trying to see what these articles might be about. Okay, here's a good one. Looks like it's about Chronicle and COVID-19. I don't know how in-depth this is, but let's take a look at that. So when I click on it, this is the article. Short. It cites it for you. Your citation is here. You can choose MLA 8th edition, APA 6th edition, or the Chicago 17th edition. And that's pretty much it, but that's how you access it. And I know I didn't have to do it this way, but I wanted to do it this way because I miss you, and I hope you are well again. Can't wait to see you.